everyone. All right, it's Lily and Rosa behind the camera. We're going to be talking about standing head to knee. I call it like the mother of the postures, right? The mother of them all. So let's talk about some of the mechanics here. So like all of our balancing series, you're going to start with your toes and heels together. And in this particular one, I think it's safe to say it's about how much you can focus and concentrate. Like, don't underestimate how important that is, because you're really pulling on the body awareness and your muscle awareness of what you're doing. So there's tremendous concentration that's involved in this posture. So you'll start with your toes and heels together, shift your body weight into the left leg, interlock your 10 fingers and grab the right foot with a nice and tight grip. So it's really important. You want to work on really lifting your leg up. So lift your leg up as you grab your foot. Yeah, bring your leg up. Yes. Because for many people, it might not be there to round all the way down, so to speak. So you want to focus also on grabbing your foot. So for some people, it may be grabbing the foot the best way you can, right? So once you have the grip, the foot, be sure to flex your foot to begin with. Look at your left knee in the mirror. Make sure your left leg is solid, concrete, lamppost, unbroken, and no knee. And make sure the body weight is all over the left foot evenly. So you really want to press those toes down, pull your stomach muscles in. Now right here, it's very important, take a deep breath. Slowly, gently lift your right leg up. Stretch your heel forward towards the mirror. Pull your toes back until the leg is exactly parallel to the floor. No higher, no lower. Lock your left knee. Take a deep breath. Continuously kick your heel out and pull your toes back. So this is what you're really creating, is a forward stretching motion in the lower back. You're stretching forward. Some of you, like myself, with shorter arms might really have to stretch from behind your shoulder blades, yeah? So go ahead, take a rest right there. I'm sure, Lily, you might need that, right?
Yes.
Take a good rest. Okay. So when we go back, so now I'll have you jump back in,
Okay.
and where you were with kicking your heel out. Yep. So when we start back, so now that you're here and you're working on locking both knees, what's really important to notice in your body is that your thigh muscles should contract so much, creating a cramp on top of each thigh. Do you feel that?
Oh, yes.
Which ignites tremendous stretching underneath your leg. That's what you're creating right here. Now, if you can balance here comfortably, then only bend your elbows down. If you cannot balance there comfortably, then you work on staying there and trying to balance. You bring your elbows down. So eventually in the second set, your body down, tuck your chin to your chest, look at your stomach, and touch your forehead to the knee. Hey, that's why it's a practice, right?
Yeah.
It's totally practice. Good work. Okay. Thanks, everyone.